Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Databricks Unity Catalog for fine-grained data governance, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Databricks Unity Catalog for fine-grained data governance, start by logging into your Databricks workspace. Navigate to the Admin Console from the left sidebar. In the Admin Console, locate the Workspace Settings section. Look for the option labeled Enable Unity Catalog. Toggle the switch to enable Unity Catalog. Once enabled, you will receive a prompt to configure a metastore. Select the Create Metastore option. Input a name for your metastore in the designated field. Choose the cloud provider and region that best suit your data requirements. Click on the Create button to finalize the creation of your metastore. Next, navigate to the Data section on the left sidebar. Click on Create and then select Catalog. Enter a name for your catalog in the prompt that appears. After naming your catalog, click Create Catalog. Now, it's time to set permissions. Navigate to the Permissions tab within the Unity Catalog. Here, define user roles and specify access to various data assets. Assign privileges such as read, write, or manage based on the user roles you defined earlier. Ensure to save the changes after assigning permissions. Next, create schemas under your catalog. Click on the catalog you just created, then select Create Schema. Input a name for your schema and click Create. Now, upload your data files to the new. Use the Data section to add tables or external data sources. Define the data types and set configurations according to your governance policies. Implement row-level or column-level security as needed for fine-grained control. To do this, use SQL commands for defining access controls. After configuring the security settings, run tests to ensure the permissions work as intended. Review and adjust user access regularly to maintain your governance model. Finally, document all configurations and governance policies for future reference and compliance. You have now successfully enabled Databricks Unity Catalog for fine-grained data governance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.